Guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect ViewSonic monitor to laptop. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. If you want to connect ViewSonic monitor to laptop, then you will need to follow some steps. To connect the monitor to an external device like PC or laptop etc., please use one of the included video cables for your application and connect it with the both terminals. So you have an option to connect HDMI cable, DisplayPort cable, USB cable, and another cable which is supported by your monitor. The best option is to connect HDMI cable with your monitor. If you want to connect HDMI cable, connect one end of an HDMI cable to the HDMI port of your monitor, then connect the other end of the cable to the HDMI port of your computer. The monitor is equipped with the HDMI 1.4 ports. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.